Hello students, I am your biology educator Dr. Meetu Bhavnani. Welcome to Vedantu NEET English channel. Today again I am with a 10-minute series. So today we are going to deal with what topic in that 10-minute series. We are taking this series regularly. 10-minute series for NEET 2026 means we are going to revise biology chapter of NEET syllabus in 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes or slightly, thoda sa 19-20. Class 11th Plant Kingdom. Plant Kingdom, again, along with Animal Kingdom, or we can say it is the chapter of diversity in living organism, a very important topic from the point of NEET, because it is a very important topic of botany also. So now the plants are classified into three types of system. Which three types of systems? Natural system of classification, artificial system of classification, and phylogenetic system of classification. Means here in these we are taking the characters, and in phylogenetic it is related to evolutionary relationship. It is related to evolutionary relationship. So there are three systems for classification for plants in their kingdom, that is natural system, artificial system, and phylogenetic system. Now taxonomy means we very well already understood the role of taxonomy in the chapter living world, again the first chapter of diversity in living organisms. So taxonomy is branch of biology. It is branch of biology, deals with again identification, classification, and nomenclature, okay, of a particular organism. So according to numerical taxonomy, the classification according to the numericals, okay, according to the number of characters. Cytotaxonomy, cyto means cell, some cell points like presence and absence of cell organelles, what type of nucleus is there. Okay, if it is a ill-defined nucleus, it is a prokaryotic. If it is a well-defined nucleus, it is a eukaryotic. Then chemotaxonomy means presence of chemicals, or we can say biomolecules. Done. Now, here are the classification or the divisions for the plant. That is first algae. Algae, most primitive plant, establish the evolution. It is chlorophyll bearing. It is simple thalloid body and autotrophic, means has photosynthetic pigments, able to proceed the process of photosynthesis, so able to produce their own food. Aquatic means habitat, means water, can live in fresh water and marine also. Fresh water where salt concentration is less, and marine water where salt concentration is more. Okay students. Then examples are volvox, very important from the NEET point of view. Eulothrix and Spirogyra. Reproduction by vegetative, asexual, and sexual. Classifications: chlorophyce, chlorophyll containing algae; pheophyce, brown pigment, means something green pigment is present, something brown pigment is present, and something red pigment is present. Okay. Now examples are now bryophytes. Examples for bryophytes are mosses and liverworts. They are amphibians of plant kingdom because they can live both on land as well as in water. Means they get evoluted. Now they move from water to land. The complete plant body is sporophyte, spore bearing. Spore bearing. Sex organs are Entheridium male वाला, Archegonia female. Okay. Now, pteridophytes. Again, algae, evolution next division, bryophyta, and then pteridophyta. The organisms are pteridophytes. Example are horsetails, ferns. Okay. Complete prothallus body means having sporophyll body and alternative gametophyte body also. Done. Now, classification is Psilopsida, okay, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida and Pteropsida. Again, now here water is essential to transport the male gamete to the female gamete. So, water is required to transfer the enterozoids. Zoid means something movable. Done. Gymnosperms. Again, evolution. Example, Cycas and Cedrus. Long, tall, long leaf-bearing plants are gymnosperms. Here, we have cone-like structures. We have cone-like structures. Male gamete-bearing organ is male strobili. Okay, like microsporophyll. And female gamete bearing body is female strobili, means megasporophyll. Done. Now angiosperms, so much reduced from the new NCERT point of view. Now in angiosperm, the main structure is your flower. Okay. Now what are the parts? We will discuss it. Parts are sepals, petals, androecium, no, stamen and carpel. They are groupings, they are whorls called as calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Gyno means related to the female reproductive part. It is of two types, monocotyledons and dicotyledons, and they are most developed. Most developed and highly evoluted. Done, student? So this is all about your plant kingdom, and again so many chapters will going to deal in 10-minute series. Okay, till then, bye bye.